This time I was working of removing all the outside panels of the car. Started with the hood. Damn, that thing was heavy. After that I switched to the fender on the one, and I didn't really film how I was doing another one. Yeah, but that thing was rusted too. All the bolts and connectors, everything was like covered in rust. I was using an impact gun, half-inch ratchet. Yeah, didn't want to go out. After that I switched to the door, removed the panel, upper and then lower part. After that I start undoing the wiring. All the connectors were stuck and it was really hard to disconnect them. Most of the time I broke off the locks on the connector, and all the switches were stuck on the wiring connectors too, so I didn't really bother with them, just fished them out with the wiring. Then I started working on the hinges. Those bolts were stuck too, but not that bad. Next day I started working on the front of the car, started removing grill, headlights, halos. Bumper, and those bolts on the bumper were stuck, so I had to cut them out with the grinder. Yeah, that wasn't that easy. Small trim and stuff. And after all that, I removed the whole front core support with the radiator and all the oil coolers and stuff. So that's it for right now. See you in the next one.